no is not enough.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or any Samsung Galaxy devices that you guys may have that have this green screen issue. So I'm not really that sure about why certain phones have that screen issue, but most of the cases with Samsung devices, it's because of that AMOLED display that the phone has that causes the green screen to come out. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix that you guys can do with your Samsung Galaxy devices. So do remember to stay tuned to that. If you guys are new to this channel, do remember to like, subscribe, and do comment below if this tutorial helps you out. And then let's get right into today's video. So your phone most likely have this green screen kind of issue on your device, on your display, whatever you call it, and it's kind of hard to fix. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix it. So the very first thing, what you guys gotta do, just go ahead and unlock it. And okay, so as you can see, my screen is very vibrant, it's very flashy, it's very colorful because I've applied the fix into this phone already. But let's say you guys did not fix it yet, what you guys gotta do is you gotta go to the Play Store. So once you guys are in the Play Store, oh no, I need to put my Wi-Fi. Oops. Alright guys, I have my Wi-Fi now. I don't know what was that. I forgot to put the Wi-Fi. There was a big problem. But basically what you guys gotta search is this AMOLED thing. So just search something called AMOLED Saver. And once you guys have downloaded the AMOLED Saver, it's gonna be this app by Mr. JS. And this AMOLED Saver basically helps you change your screen or like kind of like alter your screen a little bit when you guys are kind of using the phone, because as far as I know, the screen is caused by some discoloration by the green ish. You see what's happening? That is happening right there. It just happened in front of my eyes right there. The green screen just happened. But like I was saying, this app basically controls the amount of colors and hues you guys may have in your phone, and you pretty much just adjust and adapt to the phone. So with that being said, as you can see, you just hit open, and you always want to remember to enable the service at all times, because if you don't enable the service, what happens is you will just completely shut down. And I do not want to do it ever again, because I remember disabling the service and what happened is my phone just shut down. So do remember not to disable your service. Also, another thing about this kind of green issue is because of the brightness that you guys may have set in your phone. So yeah, that could be another key factor, because I realized that every time when you set your brightness to a very low amount, the phone kind of just burns out like this and kind of just shuts down. So the brightness could be a problem, though I'm not really that sure. And Samsung has not gave us an update where we could actually just investigate what is the issue. They have not given any updates on that. So that's another thing about this phone. I mean, another thing about this issue. So with that being said, do remember to set your brightness to quite high. Like my brightness right now is not configured properly because of the app. And that brings me to the second point. So basically the app, what happened is the app actually controls your brightness to a certain level. So as you can see, my brightness is on 8, but if you guys don't have the app, do remember to set your brightness to like somewhere between the higher ends of the spectrum in terms of the brightness, because if you guys don't set to the higher ends of the brightness, the phone will just shut down. So you don't want that to happen. Do remember to set it to a higher brightness. But in that, with that being said, what you guys gotta do is you gotta go to your basic physical brightness. You want to hit OK. You want to use pixel filtering. If you do not use it, as you can see, it will actually change it. So let's say I disable pixel filtering, is like extremely green. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. And if you use it, it kind of just corrects the color. So yeah, do remember to turn that on, because that is very important, especially you guys want to see the correct colors and you don't want that green color filter on your phone. That kind of just distorts your view. I don't know about the green filter about it. There's like something wrong with the green filter, because every time when I'm staring at the phone for quite some time, what happens is I'll get a headache, and I do have experiences getting a headache from this phone. So that's another thing about this. But with that being said, basically just put your basic physical brightness, put the highest 255, use pixel filtering, and the rest of the settings, it will just be auto adjusted, so you don't have to worry about that. And last but not least, you guys have to go to the settings and click exclude from recent. Do remember to check it, and enable when system reboots, and check it. So whenever your phone resets, or you're trying to install a service update or a system update, what happens is it will just run by itself, so you guys don't have to worry about it. So next time when you are actually kind of restarting your phone, you don't have to worry about going to the correct settings and figuring it out. So that, with that being said, you guys can also adjust the brightness according to your liking. For me, to get rid of the lines that you guys may see prevailing throughout the whole phone, you guys can put it around the middle, so you guys can maintain brightness and reduce the amount of lines in the phone as well. So just hit OK and hit OK. From my experience, I don't think that the app itself uses a lot of battery life, but I'm not really that sure about that. But with that being said, this will conclude today's video. So do remember to download the app. It's basically called Omelette Saver, and this app actually allows you to kind of get your phone back without the lines, without the green screen, without any of those issues that you guys may have. And yeah, with that being said, I hope this tutorial has helped you out in fixing your phone. And if it does not help you out and fix your phone, you can actually go to a Samsung repair shop, and you see what happens? This is what happens after some time when you don't click your phone. When it goes unresponsive, basically it will just go green by itself. But other than that, that's just a small problem. But other than that, I hope the tutorials help you out. You don't have to dismantle your phone. Out for this method, for it to work, you don't have to dismantle it. You can keep it intact. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you out. And yeah, do remember to like and subscribe, share it for your friends. And that, I'll see you in the next video.
I got the mojo